Okay, welcome to my another tutorial video of Fusion 360. Today we are going to create this bracket here. I took this picture or this drawing from one of my book collection. Is engineering drawing, and let's get started. Firstly, we are going to create a sketch in the middle of this uh, clamping device here. And then we going to extrude with a symmetric method, and this kind of sketch is I'm going to create. Let's get started. We use the rectangle, and this one is for the plane rectangle with 154 oops 20 this one is 20 and 154. Okay, and then I create the cylinder with the offset from the rectangle is 54, and then 28 is for the radius of the circle. I use the circle diameter circle. I put it somewhere here with the 28 multiplied by 2, because this is the diameter. 28 multiplied by 2, and then I create the dimension here to the center 54, and then from this one with this one is 10. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, I don't need this excess material. I use trim to get rid of this arc, and then I can stop sketch. I use a extrude command with the symmetric, this one, and this one. Okay, how much for the length? 72. 72 is the total length, but when you notice here, there is a 72 is mean that just only one side. So if you want to, 72 will be the 72, right? Oh yeah, 72 will be the total length. Then you have to divide by 2, so this is a 36, and then I click OK, and then I continue with the cylinder here. The cylinder, I can create a roll back with my sketch with 36 with the diameter, and the position will be 54 plus 46 plus 18, and would be 118, right? And the position of the y-axis is 82. Okay, I can still edit this sketch here, and put another cylinder with 36 for the diameter, and then the position would be 118, and this position here from the bottom is 82. Okay, then I stop sketch. So when you saw here that there is no sketch over there as we created, and then we can just open the sketch, this one we can open, and we can create we also can edit this one, extrude, and I can add another selection here. But since this length is a different length, is 54, and then we cannot do like that, and we cancel it. I use a control key and click to cancel. I give another extrusion here with same as symmetric with 30. Wait, I forget. 64 divided by 2. Okay, and then we can hide the sketch, and we add more sketch over there. Create sketch, add this mid plane or the base plane here. Then we can use the slice command in here, sketch palette. The purpose is to make the slicing of this object, so virtually they will slice this object to give us more easier to create a sketch inside the material. And then we use the intersect project to project the edge of the slice. I can use a body to overall body. I can create a projection. Then let me put this front view, and then I add this line here for the rib here and over there. I use shift key to make the my line is always tangent. If I hold down the shift key and with the left mouse click to this line, to the circle, then they will be always tangent. Also as well as this one, there's a tangent constraint. I click, so both of these point here is a tangent. I do this for this another side. Oh, sorry, oops. Okay, this one is tangent, and then I put this another edge is at the next point for the. Okay, then I stop sketch. I use extrude command with the two side for this. Sorry, symmetric for this rib, and then 10 for the total. This one is total length, total thickness of the rib is 10, so I have to make it 5 for the side, and then I click OK. Okay, and then after that we continue with the neck rib. Next one we are going to use the rib command in. Okay, this one there is a rib command. We are going to use that. Firstly, we have to create this we have to create this sketch over there, and then since the sketch is not at the center of the cylinder, we have to create the offset plane sketch. I click offset plane, and then I turn on the origin plane, and I click this one for the reference plane, and then I can use my calculation here, 154 minus 118, right? 154 minus 118. Okay, this will be right. Okay, that's right. So I create this sketch. I turn off the origin. I create this sketch, create sketch, and since we cannot select this plane, we can use the left click and hold to select the work plane. Yeah, and then I turn off the slice once again, and don't forget to create the projection, intersects all the body. I intersect, and then I create the line here for the sketch for the rib. So the dimension will be 10 and 28 for the center of this. Okay, so I will create this dimension here. It would be 10. Okay, and then I just finish sketch, and then I use a rib command. I click this sketch here, and then as I drag it, it will be overall of the thickness of this rib. So the rib will be also 10, so I put this 10 for the rib, and then this is automatically they are going to extrude with the next of the surface here and here, and then we select OK. And for another one, I use this command right here is a mirror. Click mirror, and then I choose the pattern feature, because this one is a feature, rib is a feature, and then the mirror plane will be the, wait, click and hold and you choose the work plane. Okay, yeah. Okay, I don't know, this one is maybe is a little bug, because if we select this, still highlighting. Maybe Autodesk will fix it later. Okay, and then the next one, I create a hole here with the 18 is diameter. I use a hole command. I just click at the face here, and for the reference I choose this arc to make sure the hole is at the center. With the hole type is a simple hole. The depth will be through all. It means that the hole is through all, and then the diameter is 18. Okay, and then the next one I create also hole, this one, two hole with the diameter 12. Click hole with this position. The position would be 100. 84 plus 46 is 100. 100 from this edge and 18 from this edge. Okay, I just put that over there with the diameter 18, also 18. So the reference will be this edge. This edge how many? 18. 18 for the reference from this edge. 18, and then from this edge 100. Okay, then we click OK. So that's the hole. And then for another hole I can use as well as this mirror command to this hole. Select mirror plane, and it would be this one. Okay. Okay, so the next one, we will create this hole here. We want to create a sketch similar to this sketch. Okay, create sketch with the mid plane as my, oh sorry, just delete. Create sketch with the, I cannot select. Sketch, they don't want to put over there. Okay, since we cannot select with the option of this plane, we use this origin. We can open the origin, and I choose this XZ for the plane. Yeah, and then once again I use slice to slice all the cutting plane, and I use this kind of selection filter with the body. Yes, okay. And then this point here is a center of the circle of the cylinder, but okay, this cylinder would be concentric with the R radius is 18. So firstly we have to create this here, and then we take a dimension is 18, so 18 for the diameter multiply by 2. Okay, and then we add a rectangle here, 6 by 10. Okay, I use rectangle, 2-point rectangle from this area, and I put over there. The dimension is this one is 10, and this one is 6. It will be over there. So I have to trim this first. Trim. I trimmed it, and as well as no, I don't need to trim them. This one to this one is a 6, right? Okay. Then I think it would done. Yeah, make sure you have the area, selectable area, this one and this one. And then we continue with the extrusion here over there. We are going to use the all with the two sides, so it's automatically cut this excess material. And then the next one is a 20 by 10. It's a simple and easy one. We can use this. Okay, I'm using this 2-point rectangle. The dimension would be 10 and 20. This one is 20. I use tab for switch between these two edge here, and 10. And then I took enter, and then I will align this rectangle is at the middle, at the midpoint. I have to create this construction line here, and this construction line I use a construction line, and then I use this point here to align with the center point here. Okay, it would be considered as a midpoint. And then the last one is the extrusion. We can also use the selection. This one is I click this one, this plane, it will be select for the extrusion distance, right? Okay, the last one would be the fillet R with a 10 and a 3 radius. Or else I think it's all is done. Okay, simple one. To create a fillet, we can use the direct editing. You can click this one and click this one, and then I use press pull with 10 as a fillet, and then this one I create press pull. Okay, with I think it's 3. Okay, 3. Yeah, 3. Okay, I think it's done creating this clamping bracket. And as we want to know the properties of this object, we can right click at the command here and click properties, and we can see there's the density, there's a mass, there's a volume, and the area of the overall. This information is maybe is useful for next if you want to product this to manufacture this kind of part, and then we can estimate the weight of the, if the physical material is steel, and then the weight will be 2137 point something grams. Okay, I think that's it. And if you want to make a look this with more good looking, we can continue with the render, and then please mention that the rendering area is a perspective view, so it's not orthographic view. And then I can create the appearance with a different appearance. I choose with maybe aluminium anodized for good looking, and then I can just click enable rendering. For this bracket. Okay, that's it, folks. Thank you for your attention.